Hey guys, before I start this video I just want to say a couple things. First of all, in between the key sounds and the typing test, I switched mic. There is no reason for this, I don't know why I did it. And one more thing, is that all the keyboard parts on the right side of the screen, so if you want to try build a keyboard yourself, then yeah, it's a really fun experience and I really recommend it. Anyway, here's a sound test. Alright guys, that was the end of the sound test. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you soon. Peace.